So, you finally made your first ClickBank sale. Now what? Do you just keep doing the same thing? Do you scale? Do you change strategy? Or was that just luck? Because this is where most beginners get confused. They get their first result, and then they don't know what to do next. In this video, we're going to break down what your first sale actually means, what most beginners do wrong right after, the biggest mistake that kills momentum, and what you should do next to grow. If you've made your first sale, or you're close to it, this is where things start to get interesting. Let's be clear. Your first sale is not about the money, it's proof. Proof that the system works, people are willing to buy. You can actually do this, and that changes everything. Because now, you're not guessing anymore. Here's what most beginners do. They panic. They start thinking, was it luck? Should I change everything? Maybe I need a better product. So they switch offers, change strategy, start over, and kill their momentum. Here's the smarter move. Do more of what already worked. If you got a sale, something is working. So instead of changing everything, double down. Ask yourself, where did the traffic come from? What content led to the click? What angle worked? Then repeat it. One sale is great, but the goal is consistency, turning one sale into 5, 10, 20. And that comes from repetition, optimization, small improvements, not big changes. Only after you see patterns, that's when you improve. Maybe. Test a different angle, improve your content, add an email list later. But only after you understand what's already working. Here's the mindset you need. One sale equals beginning, not success. It's the first signal. Now your job is to turn signals into a system. So what happens after your first ClickBank sale? Everything starts to make sense, but only if you stay consistent. If you want to follow a more structured path, instead of guessing what to do next, there's a system that shows this step by step. Check the official page in the description. And if you're serious about building this, subscribe, because the next videos will show you how to grow from here.